All of the switch. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna do the episode 3 of the All of the Switches series. We are gonna do the MX style linear switches from Kailh. Let's go. Alright, before we go to the sound test, just want to have a brief history about the MX style switches made by Kailh. In the previous episodes, we talked about the box switches, which was invented by Kailh in 2017. But before that, Kailh was making MX style switches, which first invented by Cherry in the 80s. The design of the MX switches is very simple. You just have the plastic housing, 2 pieces of metal, a spring, and a stem, and that's it. But the thing is, when you're in a complicated environment, for example, an internet cafe, things can get into the switches. For example, cigarette ashes or liquid residues, and those things, if they damage the gold crosspoint, it can affect the functionalities of the switches. But if you are using your keyboard carefully, you don't need to worry about this. Since they introduced the MX design in the 80s, they didn't change much, so time has proven this switch design style, it's pretty durable. Let's get to know our contestants. The first one is the Longhua Red, second is the Longhua Black, third one is the Kailh Silver, fourth one is the Turbo Red, and the Silent Red, and the Turbo Silver. Here we have the KT Red, the Super Speed Red, the Super Speed Silver, Crystal Burgundy, Pro Burgundy, and the Midnight Silent Pro. This is Clione Lumacina, MX Light, Romeo, and Juliet. Last one is Starry Night. Sound test time! Alright, any preference from the sound test? So this batch contains some very old switches, for example the KT Red, which was introduced in 2016, and some of the newer ones, for example the Starry Night, so the time span has been quite big. Here I can only choose 3 of my personal favorite. The first one is Pro Burgundy. It's very stable, it's very sturdy built, and the sound profile, it's not very socky, but it kinda has this well-balanced sound, which is pretty good. Second is the Turbo Silent Red. It is a very nice silent switches. There's no silicone squeaky sound or like scratchy sound. It is silent. So it's a very nice silent switch. The third one I want to mention is the Clione Lumacina. It has the full transparent housing, which is very cool, but it might looks very fragile. But when you're typing on it, it's kind of sturdy, and the sound profile, which is pretty good also. So these are the 3 of my personal favorites. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you guys next time. Peace.